What's the best way to make money with AI as a beginner? That question kept me awake at night. Not because AI is confusing, but because deep down, I knew something most people don't want to admit. There is a small window right now. A small, powerful window where ordinary people can use AI to build real income before everyone else catches up. And the ones who move fast? They won't just make money. They'll change their entire life. So today, I want to walk you through 4 AI businesses you can start before 2026. Not in a boring, technical way. Not like a robot reading instructions. But like a real conversation. Because maybe you're sitting in your apartment in New York right now, stressed about rent. Maybe you're in Texas, working a job you hate. Maybe you're in California, trying to figure out how to provide more for your family. And you don't need hype. You need clarity. You need a decision. Business number 1 is something very close to home for us here on Smart Biz AI. A faceless AI YouTube channel. Now listen carefully. YouTube is not new. But AI has changed the rules. You no longer need a camera. You no longer need to show your face. You don't even need to speak. There are tools now that can generate entire videos from simple prompts. Cinematic visuals. Animated scenes. Background environments that used to cost thousands of dollars to create. Imagine typing. A peaceful cyberpunk city at night with a girl studying by the window, neon lights glowing outside, and within seconds, you have a stunning loop video. Then you pair it with AI-generated music. Calm focus music. Deep house. Lo-fi beats. And you upload 1-hour videos for people who want to study, work, or relax. There are channels doing this right now. Millions of views. Thousands of dollars per video. And here's the crazy part, those videos keep earning for months. While the creator sleeps. While they travel. While they work on the next idea. YouTube becomes a digital asset. It's like buying rental property. Except the tenant is the algorithm. Now, is every video going to go viral? No, but that's not the game. The game is consistency. Post daily. Let AI handle the visuals. Let AI generate the music. Let AI help with titles, thumbnails, descriptions. You become the director, not the worker. For a beginner with very little money, this is one of the easiest entry points. Low cost. Low risk. Medium potential. And most importantly, it teaches you content leverage. Business number 2 is more powerful. More intense. And in my opinion, the most life-changing if you execute it correctly. E-commerce. This is where you use AI to build and sell physical products online. Before AI, starting an e-commerce store was overwhelming. You needed designers, copywriters, product researchers, ad creatives. Now, you can validate products using AI. You can analyze Amazon demand in minutes. You can ask AI to evaluate profitability. You can generate product descriptions that convert. You can create product images that look studio quality. You can even generate ad scripts and video ads using AI avatars. Imagine finding a trending product. Let's say a winter space heater. You check demand on Amazon. You see thousands sold per month. You use AI to analyze competition. It tells you the risks, the seasonality, the opportunity. Then you build a Shopify store in a few hours. AI writes your copy. AI suggests your offer. AI helps you create ads. And once the product starts selling, you can scale. This is how beginners have gone from 0 to 6 figures in months. Is it risk-free? No, you will need some ad budget. You will need to test. But the upside? Extremely high. One winning product can generate $1,000 a day. And when you build a real brand, you build equity. You're not just chasing views. You're building an asset. If I had to choose one business model for long-term sustainability, it would be AI commerce. Because once it works, it compounds. Business number 3 is AI affiliate marketing. This one is simple. You don't create your own product. You promote someone else's. You earn commission. With platforms like TikTok Shop and others, people are using AI-generated videos to promote products. They create AI characters. They create storytelling videos. They introduce a problem. Then present the product as the solution. And sometimes, one video makes thousands of dollars. For a beginner, this is extremely attractive. Low barrier. No inventory. No customer service. But here's the truth nobody tells you. You don't control the platform. Accounts can get banned. Algorithms change. Your income can disappear overnight. So while this model is easy and fast, it's not the most stable long term. Think of it like a cash machine. Great for momentum. Not always great for security. And finally, business number 4. iPublishing. This one is beautiful in its simplicity. You use AI to create ebooks or children's books. You sell them on platforms like Etsy or Amazon. You can create personalized books where a parent sends a photo of their child, and AI turns that child into the hero of a custom story. Emotional. Unique. Special. Before AI, creating illustrated books required thousands of dollars. Now, you can generate stories, generate artwork, design covers, and publish within days. There are sellers making thousands per month doing this. Is the potential massive? Not usually. Books are low priced. You need volume. But it's one of the easiest ways to get started. Very low cost. Very beginner friendly. And it builds creative confidence. So now the real question. Which one should you choose? If you want the easiest entry with almost no money, start with a faceless AI YouTube channel. If you want the highest long-term potential and you're willing to invest some money, choose AI commerce. If you want quick cash and fast testing, try AI affiliate marketing. If you want something creative and simple, explore AI publishing. But here's what matters more than any model. Speed. 2026 is not far away. Every month, AI tools get better. Every month, more people learn. Right now, the average person still doesn't understand how powerful these tools are. Right now, you still have an edge. But edges don't last forever. The people who win in this decade won't be the smartest. They'll be the fastest. The ones who stop overthinking. The ones who stop watching and start building. On Smart Biz Eye, we talk about opportunity. But opportunity only rewards action. Imagine looking back 3 years from now. You're sitting in your house. Bills paid. Savings growing. Maybe your own business running online. And you remember this moment. The moment you decided not to ignore AI. The moment you said, I'm going to try, because that's all it takes at the beginning. Not perfection. Not expertise. Just a decision. You don't need to master all 4 businesses. You need to choose one. Go deep. Stay consistent. Let AI handle the heavy lifting. and you handle the vision. This is not hype. This is not fantasy. This is a technological shift happening in real time across America. And the people who adapt early write new stories for themselves. So if you've been waiting for a sign, this is it. Pick your model. Start messy. Learn fast. And build before the window closes. Because 3 years from now, you don't want to say, I knew about AI when it was early. You want to say, I moved when it mattered. And if this opened your eyes even a little bit, stay with us here on Smart Biz AI. Because this journey, we're just getting started.